Hi everybody! So today I'm gonna teach you how to make this Romanian cord or Romanian rope. You could use them for so many. Of course, the Romanian point lace, Romanian Macrame. You could use them to make straps for clothing, you name it. As you can see, here is one rope, different sizes, threads, yarns, and this is the simple technique, and here is the double rope. I'm going to show you both today. Extremely cute and practical and definitely fun to work. Now if you're planning to work on this exclusive work, Romanian Macrame lace or point lace, you're gonna have to make a lot of rope first. Take your time, make a big ball, and then you go around and connect the rope first. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, because I'm gonna teach you one day soon how to make the Romanian point lace. Okay, I'm gonna show you all this beautiful work. So we're gonna use the actually thread that this rope was born with. Basically, this is the thread, and I purchased this other one at Joann's the other day, and this is what you want to look for if you want the authenticity of this rope. So basically it's a size 10 thread, and we're gonna use a number 7 crochet, which I have here. Alright, so let's get started. So just chain 3, skip 1 and go in the last. Turn your work around clockwise and just go in a corner and insert your hook. Again, turn your work around clockwise, and now you see we form these 2 threads in there. Once you turn your clock around, once you turn your work around, you're going to place your crochet in these 2 threads, hold it firmly, pull it out. Again, place it in the 2 threads, pull it out. And that's it. It's really fun. Easy, and it's fun to see it growing. Once you get it to a point where it starts to tangle, you're going to use a needle or a safety pin, make it in a ball, and just continue working on. Okay, now I'm going to show it to you with a different thread, yarn, a thicker one. One, two, three. Much better. Skip 1, go to the end. Now we have the double already formed. So just a tip, before you turn it, you can actually place your hook in the two threads and then you turn it. Instead to just turn it and try to place it sideways, which is a little bit more difficult, but still work. Whatever works for you, just don't forget to turn it clockwise. These multicolored threads are so fun to work with. To see that thread change right in front of you, an eye candy. Okay. And now when I'm looking at them, looks like I use a number 3.5 here, crochet. This is a 3, this is 3.5. So depend what you're gonna use this this rope for. If you make it a little looser, I guess you can see the details even better. This is more stretchy with a bigger crochet versus this is a little bit tighter. Okay, let's do another thread. For this one, I'm just gonna switch to a number 2. Again, let's start it together. One, two, three. Skip one, go in the last. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you can get notification when I'm posting new videos. Random videos, basically, they're not in order because I like to do it all. Sometimes it'll be crochet, sometimes it'll be knitting, sometimes it'll be decorating, gardening. Of course, fashion designs. I'll take you in my sewing room, show you tips and tricks. I've been sewing for over 25 years. I've been crocheting about the same time, except I did not practicing it as much because life is too busy to just sit down and crochet. But now with the quarantine time in here kind of settle us down a little bit, which is a good thing. I went back to my old roots. I thought I forgot these things. right, so let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to make the double crochet, double rope. Okay, so let's do the yellow. double rope. Start with 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now crochet the first one, single crochet, and go to the last one, crochet that too. Now come back right here and catch these 2 threads, this one and this one, right under it. As you pull the crochet out, you're gonna turn your work clockwise and try to catch the side thread. Right here next to it, go in these 2 stitches. As you pull the threads out, turn your work. Now you have 2 threads on the side. Pull those out together, and your work is forming, showing nicer. So go right next stitches, side. Okay guys, let's do a few more and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to press that bell button so you know every time I post something. Okay, I could do this all day, I really can. This is so peaceful and therapeutic for me. This is my quiet time when I think, and as you can probably notice, my voice is very low because I'm very calm and relaxed. If I show you a different project, my voice could go a little higher, depending of the excitement, I guess, and the projects I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little faster. I remember growing up and my aunt used to crochet so fast. I was so impressed. I'm like, how does she does that? But she was an expert. She used to crochet the most beautiful things. Okay, that thread gets tangled and doesn't let me show you how fast I can crochet. Anyways, I would love to see your work. Don't forget to also follow me on my other social medias, like Facebook. I don't have too many accounts. It's overwhelming and not easy to keep up with all the social media. So between my YouTube and Facebook, that's what I do. Alright guys, so here they are next to each other. Before I go, I'm gonna show them to you again next to each other. I hope you have a blessed day and stay tuned for more. Ciao ciao!